everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So got some more lights in today, got more done than yesterday, which is nice. And right now my legs feel almost completely healed. My thighs don't really hurt at all right now, which is amazing, thank you. But my lower shins or right by my ankles hurt. I wore some different shoes today because really no one's out here and no one really cares. So I didn't wear boots today, which was cool. But anyways, that's the last light that we got done right there, and the end is right there. So we're super close to the end. I think there's like 13 or 14 left. I just have to count the plates, but I think there's like 13 or less. So we're just basically going right here, which I'll show you here in a second. So we're just going down right here, right where it starts at the blacktop, or at the fiber grates. So that's where the first light will be, right on the other side of that little barrier. So that's where the first one starts. All right, guys, so other updates. I won't be working on Friday because I have a doctor's appointment. I'm charging my phone and cord's wrapped around. Anyways, wore a hat for the first time today, so that was cool. Kind of kept my hair in place, so that was nice. Never really worn a hat in my life, all day at least. So that was the first. Got my turtleneck on again, and I appreciate all the comments that said to buy sunscreen and take care of myself. I just haven't gotten around to going to the store yet, but I probably will pick some up sooner than later. So I've just been wearing a turtleneck just so I don't burn myself any further. But yeah, anyways, it was another good day working with the material handler. Yesterday we got 8 done, today we got 9 done. We got 6 done before lunch, which might be a record. But yeah, the second half of the day my legs pretty much stopped hurting and pain, so that's good. So yeah, I'm super happy about that. There's a car stopped in the middle of the road. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. And so we won't be done tomorrow, but we should be done by Thursday. At least with hanging the lights, we'll be done by Thursday for sure. And then we just have to hook up the LMFC, the piping that we got, the flexible piping, into the T conduits. That's not what they're called, but they're the conduits with a T on them. So gonna have to go back and hook all those up. So maybe we'll get all those done by Thursday, maybe not. And then we'll have to do the expansion joint still, which we haven't got the go-ahead on yet for the change order. And then we will pull the wire. So there's still plenty more stuff to do for a while. And then once I hit that new job site, there won't be any work videos for a while. So I don't know how long that job will last for. But anyways, that's what I got. So hopefully you guys enjoyed as always. I'm just trying to keep this short. So hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next one, and it would help out the channel. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.